Hi, this is Dr. Ken Berry, a family physician, and I have just one question. Does the American Diabetes Association hate diabetics? On their website, they have a page called the American Diabetes Association Diabetes Food Hub. And on this site are hundreds of recipes, and one is called Apple Crisp. Now, this Apple Crisp, there's a couple of things wrong with this that I want you to think about and look at this. So, this is fully endorsed by the American Diabetes Association. I have a website, drberry.com, and everything on my website is approved by me. If it's on my website, then I approve it or it wouldn't be there, right? So, this recipe on Diabetes Food Hub, which is a website focused on recipes specifically for diabetics, has this recipe, Apple Crisp. And there's many examples on this website, but I just picked this one because I'm sure that it's especially delicious. So one serving of Apple Crisp has 27 grams of carbohydrates. Let's look at the ingredient list here. So with 15-minute prep time, make 7 servings. We'll get to that in a second. A serving size is a half cup. We'll definitely get to that. But here's the ingredients. A quarter cup of packed brown sugar, quarter cup of flour. So both of these things are pure carbohydrates. The sugar is literal sugar, which is going to spike a diabetic's blood sugar. The flour is full of starch, which breaks down into sugar, which will spike the diabetic's blood sugar. Then old-fashioned rolled oats, because a lot of people believe that old-fashioned rolled oats or steel cut oats are somehow magically good for you. They're full of starch, which breaks down immediately to sugar, even before you swallow it. As you're chewing up the oats, they're converting to sugar. And then we've got margarine, which is typically made of soybean oil or canola oil or some other vegetable oil, which for many people is quite inflammatory. Vanilla extract, ground nutmeg, ground cinnamon, red apples, which apples are also less bad than apple juice, but they're still full of sugar. Even the sugar in fruit spikes your blood sugar. Now, let's talk about the serving size. The serving size is 1/2 cup. Now, look at that. That looks delicious, right? So you're going to tell somebody who's a diabetic that you can have this delicious thing, and you're going to make 7 servings with this recipe, but you're only going to eat a half of a cup. Nowhere on this website does it mention that this should be a very rare treat, maybe for your birthday or your anniversary. A diabetic, there has no indication from this website that they should not eat. They could eat this every day for dessert. They could have this every meal as dessert because it's endorsed by the American Diabetes Association. So then the question becomes, why would they even have such a recipe as Apple Crisp on their website? Look at the total carbohydrate count, 27 grams, and it only has 2 grams of fiber, dietary fiber. And so you got 25 grams of carbs here that are going to immediately convert to pure sugar in your bloodstream and spike your blood sugar sky high. So what normal human could eat a half cup serving of this? No one. So the American Diabetes Association, we have to assume, are not idiots. They know that people are not going to eat a half cup of this. So then the question becomes, why in the world would they even have this recipe on their website? Is it because they get so many donations from big pharmaceutical houses who sell medications to treat type 1 and type 2 diabetics that they know that they're going to keep getting those donations if they keep promoting recipes like this? Or is it because the big food manufacturers who make the oats and make the flour and make the brown sugar, they give lots of donations to the American Diabetes Association as well? Is it to keep that money flowing in? Because that sounds very conspiratorial. Surely to goodness, that's not it. Surely the American Diabetes Association has the best interest of diabetics at heart. Are they idiots? Are they ignorant of the physiology behind what happens when someone with type 1 or type 2 diabetes eats 25 grams of carbs in one sitting, in one meal, just one dessert? Do they not know? Have they forgot their human physiology? I'm not sure what's going on here, but I think it's time for the American Diabetes Association, or maybe Dr. Bob, their spokesman, to reply to some of my videos and the many tweets on Twitter, X now, asking them, what the hell's wrong with you? Why are you recommending this stuff to people suffering from diabetes? So I'm going to hold my breath and wait for their reply. I'd love to get Dr. Bob on my channel, and we could talk about recipes like this and other things that I think the American Diabetes Association isn't currently getting right. I hold out hope that one day the American Diabetes Association will actually help diabetics to reverse type 2 diabetes and keep it reversed for the rest of their life. And they'll also help type 1 diabetics eat a diet and live a lifestyle that will help them have normal A1Cs, hemoglobin A1Cs, while injecting minimal insulin. That should be the goal, right? We should want every person with diabetes on the planet to have a normal A1C and to use the minimum amount of medication necessary. That's what a doctor's goal should be. I think the American Diabetes Association should have a similar goal, unless the donations from Big Food and Big Pharma are paying so many salaries and so many of their bills that they just can't tell the truth about human nutrition. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Do they just not know better? Or are they beholden to the millions of dollars in donations from Big Pharma and Big Food? Why is the American Diabetes Association doing this to diabetics? Do they hate diabetics, or do they love that money coming in the form of donations? Let me know in the comments. This is Dr. Berry. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want more information about reversing type 2 diabetes completely and keeping it reversed, I've got lots of videos on this channel. See you next time.